Hi, my name is Mike, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. In this video, we'll explore Slider Revolution's advanced features. I'll show you how to set up custom navigation buttons or arrows, and even add video backgrounds including YouTube embeds. Slider Revolution allows you to create unique navigation elements, such as arrows, buttons, or even thumbnails. In Settings, click on the Navigation option. Now go to Slider Settings and click on the Navigation options. From over here, you can add arrows, bullets, tabs, thumbnails, and scrubbers. Let's start by clicking on Arrows. From over here, you can enable or disable arrows. Navigation styles from the drop-down menu. You can either align navigation arrows with module dimensions or content. You can align navigation arrows according to your content with this option. You can also add animations to the navigation arrows. In Visibility option, you can adjust the time of animation. You can also customize the color of arrows from navigation style. By following these steps, you can match the navigation arrows with your slider's content and to match your brand design. Now let's move to adding video backgrounds. A great way to make your sliders more dynamic. Select the slide from the slide option on which you want to add a video background. Now from Slider Options, select Background. You can set the source of background as colored or click on the color type. You can add external images, make it transparent, add colors, YouTube video, Vimeo video, HTML5 video. Now, we will select YouTube video. Now you can add a YouTube video by entering its video ID. That's how you can unlock the full potential of Slider Revolution by using advanced features like custom navigation and video backgrounds. Experiment with these tools to create truly engaging sliders. Subscribe for more cool videos.